AI has officially crossed a new line, and it's not just generating text anymore. Meet Deep Agent, an autonomous AI system that doesn't need your prompts, your oversight, or even your presence. In one click, it can research a topic, build a full SaaS product, write the code, publish a blog, and auto-post it to social media, all while you sleep. From automated Python pipelines to X, formerly Twitter, content generation, and real-time market research, this isn't a demo. This is working, live tech. An early glimpse at AGI-level capability. If you thought ChatGPT was powerful, wait till you see an AI that thinks, decides, and executes on its own. This isn't hype, it's happening. Let's break it down. What makes Deep Agent different from traditional AI tools is its ability to operate autonomously, not just respond to instructions. This system chains together multiple tools, models, and APIs in real time, executing workflows that normally require human oversight. It doesn't just assist, it completes full tasks from start to finish, with minimal user input. Imagine this. You provide a single-line instruction, like build a SaaS product for tracking crypto wallets. Deep Agent doesn't generate an idea, it generates everything. It writes code, configures a working backend, hosts it on a live server, and even prepares marketing content, all automatically. It goes even further with custom research pipelines. Need to gather data on a niche topic? Deep Agent can perform a web search, analyze content, summarize findings, and organize the results, all without human hand-holding. These tasks are completed with reasoning and memory, allowing it to persist context across steps. This isn't prompt engineering, it's AI-driven decision-making, performed through modular agents that know how to use tools like a developer, a researcher, and a writer, all in one AI brain. And it's already doing what entire teams are paid to do. Deep Agent isn't just smart, it's shockingly efficient. Once you hand it a basic objective, the system begins by thinking step by step, deciding what tools to use and in what sequence. For example, given a task like launch a product that notifies users about Twitter activity, it identifies sub-goals on its own, building the logic, integrating APIs, designing the interface, and pushing updates live. It doesn't stop at development. Deep Agent writes the copy, composes long-form blog posts, and crafts social media content, all tailored to your niche and audience. Then it uploads everything to platforms like X, Twitter, using automated credentials it fetches and configures itself. During the process, it simulates user roles like a developer, researcher, marketer, and operations manager, using tools such as Python, HTTP requests, and content summarizers. It stores temporary files, connects to APIs, and handles credentials. No manual uploading, no editing needed. Even more impressive, Deep Agent continuously monitors and adjusts its own actions based on results. If a service fails to respond or a file is missing, it reroutes intelligently, solving its own errors. You're not watching a chatbot here, you're watching a digital workforce running solo. What truly sets Deep Agent apart is its collaborative agent architecture. Multiple autonomous processes working together toward a common goal. Instead of relying on a single model to handle everything, Deep Agent assigns different subtasks to specialized agents, each equipped with their own tools, skills, and logic. For example, when tasked with launching a crypto tracking SaaS, one agent writes the backend in Python, another configures the user interface, while a third conducts real-time research to fuel the content strategy. These agents communicate in memory, share data, and respond to each other's output, creating a dynamic and responsive workflow, just like a human team would. Even more impressive is how it handles complex chained operations. It builds functioning apps, sets up cloud hosting, manages API keys, and troubleshoots bugs independently. If a process stalls or hits an unexpected response, the agent reroutes its path, learning and adapting as it progresses. The agents don't just run once, they loop and refine, using environmental feedback and intermediate files to improve output quality. This leads to more accurate, polished results over time, even when working on tasks as abstract as long-form writing or multi-step software deployment. With this level of modular intelligence, Deep Agent isn't simply following instructions. It's constructing intelligent systems on its own from scratch. This is no longer about assistance, it's about autonomous execution unfolding in real time. What makes Deep Agent truly jaw-dropping isn't just theory. It's what it can do live, under pressure. In its real-time demo, the agent successfully launched a fully functional SaaS product with no manual coding, no IDE, and no user intervention beyond the initial prompt. The workflow started with defining a simple goal: build a service that tracks Twitter wallet activity. From there, Deep Agent mapped out an entire project structure, initialized code bases, configured cloud hosting, and dynamically provisioned infrastructure, all within minutes. It even generated the UI and pushed the site live, hosted with working functionality. But the most surprising part? It autonomously created and published a launch blog post, followed by crafting and posting a promotional tweet using real platform credentials it retrieved and handled securely. This wasn't a script. This was Deep Agent performing the role of an engineer, marketer, and publisher in one fluid motion. The demo didn't just showcase automation, it proved full-cycle execution, including adaptive decision-making, tool switching, error handling, and seamless coordination between agents. This wasn't a test in a sandbox. It was a live product launch, publicly visible, built and shipped in real time, without a human in the loop. What you've just seen isn't a concept, a roadmap, or a futuristic idea. It's happening right now. Deep Agent is building software, writing content, managing deployments, and launching products, all without direct human control. It's not asking for help, it's taking action. It doesn't wait for feedback. It learns, adapts, and executes. And it does in minutes what teams used to take days or weeks to complete. We're entering an era where intelligent systems don't need prompts. They need objectives. A single instruction kicks off a chain of autonomous decisions, each performed by AI agents communicating, iterating, and improving like a digital workforce. This isn't just productivity, it's replacement. What happens when companies can build full SaaS platforms with no developers, when marketing, copywriting, publishing, and social outreach happen while you sleep? This is bigger than ChatGPT, bigger than assistance. This is AI autonomy, now live. So if you thought your job was safe, if you believed the AI wave had already peaked, think again, because Deep Agent didn't just help you work, it learned to work without you.